Rules for silent letters. B is not pronounced after M at the end of a word. Limb, lamb. B is not pronounced before T at the end of a root word. Doubt, settle. C is not pronounced in the combination SC, muzzle, scissors. C is usually redundant before the letters K or Q. Acknowledge, acquittance. D is not pronounced when it appears before the letters N and G. Wednesday, cadge. D is not pronounced in the following common words: handkerchiefs, Wednesday, sandwich, handsome. D is not pronounced in the combination D, G. Pledge, hedge, edge. E is not pronounced at the end of the words, but instead elongates the sound of the vowel before it. Hope, bite, hide. G is not pronounced when it comes before N. Sign, foreign. GH is not pronounced when it comes after a vowel. Thought, through. GH is sometimes pronounced like F. Rough, laugh. H is not pronounced when it comes after W. What, when, where. H is not pronounced when it comes after C, G and R. Chorus, ghastly, rhythm. K is not pronounced when it comes before N at the beginning of a word. Knife, knee. L is not pronounced after the vowels A, O and U. Calm, folk, kid. M is not pronounced when it comes before N. Mnemonic. N is not pronounced when it comes after M at the end of a word. Autumn. P is not pronounced at the beginning of many words using the combinations PS, PT and PN. Psychology, pterodactyl, pneumonia. PH is sometimes pronounced as telephone, alphabet. S is not pronounced before I. Island, islet. T is not pronounced in these common words: castle, Christmas, frozen, listen, soften, hasten, rapid, whistle. U is not pronounced when it comes after G and before a vowel. Guess, guest. W is not pronounced at the beginning of a word when it is before the letter R. Right, wrong. W is not pronounced in the following words: who, whose, whom, while, whoever, answer, sword, to. X is a consonant cluster, which means we must pronounce two consonants. It will be either KS or GZ. Excel, exam. Y is silent in few words. Aile, mayor. When the letter Y follows a vowel, it is often silent. Day, key.